Hey everybody, how's it going? My name's Sean. I am the owner and operator of Extreme Auto Detailing here in Middletown, New York. I'm going to be working on this Corolla today. We got a little bit of damage on it here. As you can see, the car got backed into. So the customer wants me to see if there's anything I can do with it. So I'm going to see what I can do for them. See what I can get off. As you can see, when I wipe my finger on it, some of it already starts to come off. So I don't think it's going to be super bad. It might be a little iffy in some of these areas where the creases are, but we'll see what it looks like when we're all done. So that's really all we're going to do with it, is just this area in here. So I will show you guys what it looks like on the finished product. We'll see you guys soon. All right, here is the finished product on the Corolla. As you can see, we got everything out of here. Looks great. Customer should be very pleased with that. So I want to thank everybody for watching. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please feel free to click that subscribe button. And for those of you who have, please click the bell so you know when we have new videos coming out. So until the next job, I will catch you guys all later. And remember, here at Extreme Auto Detailing, it's all about that shine since 1989. And just remember, guys, we don't always just do big jobs. We do the small ones here too as well. So I'll catch you guys later on. You all have a good one. See you soon. Take care.